Hey everybody, this is Big Guy from Big Guy Reviews. Here we are back. Welcome to the channel. You may be wondering what the hell is that? Well, I'm going to explain it. So, decided to come down, do some surf fishing. Had a DJI Mavic Mini 2. Did a bunch of research about how can I use that to drop bait. So, I found this little device. I'm gonna have to put the name of it and all the information in the description because I just don't have it. But basically it's got an on-off switch, the charging port there, a open close button right there, the thing so that you can attach your bait to it, go out and drop it. Now the reason this is important and the reason I'm doing this video is twofold. One, I couldn't find any information I was looking for, so I'm hoping it helps somebody. So I got this device, I went out, I dropped my bait. Let me show you what we're using. This is kind of a red drum type, sea trout type rig. As you see, we're using mullet. We're using 1 4-ounce weight and then 2 mullet, which is important because your Mavic Mini 2 can only carry so much weight. So that's the one review. I did my first test on this thing and was able, with the base remote and the base device, was able to get 350 feet and then 370 feet that it would still pick up the RF signal. Well, that wasn't enough for me, so I did a couple of things. I went in here, and if you see the little spool of wire right there, I made the antenna longer. Did my test, got about 20 more feet on average with it. So I decided to extend my antenna. So what I did, the only wire I could find in this rental was this 3.5 millimeter, I think that's what it is, earphone jack. I cut one end off, I spliced it in, I wrapped it around the connection for the antenna. I have now successfully run it out 750 feet and been able to drop my bait. So that's the reason I wanted to do this, was to give you the information that you needed and tell you exactly how much weight we're carrying out and how much the DJI Mavic Mini 2 will lift. So with all that being said, just wanted to say thanks. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get our subscribers up, so that would really help. But we hope this information helps you guys out. Thanks.